What's up, guys? It's your boy Overdue Adam here. Got you guys another video. Trying to get this set up so that you guys can see it better, hopefully. There you go. Welding some aluminum with some MIG. I'm running 370 volts. Wire speed, and 24.5 volts. So let's see how we do with this weld. This one really doesn't need to get welded. Okay. I'll just move it down so you guys can see it, hopefully. I think it's in the camera view. Yep, alright, so let's get to the weld. Boom. That's MIG welding for you. Aluminum. I kind of like it. It's kind of fun, but that's your personal opinion. Alright. Now these parts are for a cannon. This is the part where it holds the barrel up. So I'm gonna have to take you guys down for just a second because you guys are sitting on my part that I need. I don't know if I'm going to cut comb this, I don't know, to wherever I get the shit I need done. I don't know. Should be good right there. Alright. Well, that's how I'm going to set it up. I have to clamp these two sides and then weld in the middle. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little MIG short little video. Remember to like, subscribe, follow my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all that good jazz. Peace out, guys.